Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix chat theme option not showing on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Play Store and search your Instagram. Open Instagram and then you need to click on update. Once you update your Instagram, then you need to go back and then you need to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram application, then you need to click on messenger icon in the top right, and then you need to select any conversation, and then you need to click on the icon in the right top, and here you can see that theme option is showing. And if the problem is still there, you simply need to click on the eye icon and take a screenshot of this. Once you take a screenshot of this, then you need to go back and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right corner, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to click on help, and then you need to click on report a problem, and then you need to click on report a problem. Here you need to attach that screenshot and mention that my theme option is not showing, can you please help me, so that Instagram will see this issue and solve this issue for you. So by following these steps, you can easily solve Instagram theme option not showing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.